Okay, what else aside from mouth and lips? We do have this one. Tongue. Tongue. And okay, the one who holds that teeth is our gums. Everybody, gums. Okay, first one, tongue. Gums. Very good. Now let's go with this one. Teeth. Our teeth. And what else? Here, this is our teeth, and this side is our upper or lower? Upper teeth. Okay, this is our upper teeth. How about here, this side? The group of teeth here. Down or lower teeth. Very good, good job. Oh, I guess you remember our lesson. Now let's go with the, where are we? Brushing our teeth. Okay, brushing our teeth. Okay, let's see. Number one, let's see bullet number one. It says it's a personal hygiene that everybody should practice. So everybody, are you brushing your teeth? Yes or no? Yes, everybody, all of us should brush our teeth. It says here, it's a way of taking care of your. Okay, very good. It's a way of taking care of your teeth. When you brush your teeth, you take care of your teeth. Bullet number one, it says, how many times a day should you brush your teeth? Anyone? At least 2 or 3 times a day. Okay, it says here. When is that? When is that? When do you brush your teeth? When is that? In the morning and sometimes in the noon. After you eat your lunch and then before you sleep at night. So at least twice or thrice a day. Number 2. What happened when you brush your teeth? Anyone? What happened? If you brush your teeth, what happened? Yes? Teeth? Okay, very good. Let's start for P. Your breath will be good. How if you your classmate will die if you don't brush your teeth. But even if you don't one and one face to face, it's okay because it's not smelly, right? Yes? That's why you have to brush your teeth. What happened? Okay, you help take food and fluff off your teeth. When you're eating, your food will stop here at the corner at any size of your teeth. Yes or no? Yes. And what will happen? What will you do? You have to brush your teeth so that it will get off your teeth. You can reach the corner, right? Yes? Okay, what else? You will have a fresh breath. Fresh, meaning to say your breath is good.